Hello everyone, welcome here to Norfolk Boat Sales at our Brundall Marina here in Norfolk, and today we have this beautiful Hardy 27 for sale on brokerage with us. And yeah, very kind of unique style boat, and of course very well known in the UK. This model is obviously the 27, built in 1998, with a diesel Yanmar, and just a well presented example of the boat. So yeah, diesel Yanmar, 200 horsepower, twin engines. So yep, let's hop on and take a look. So as we hop onto the boat, we notice there's enough room with a bathing platform on the aft of the boat, and access via this right. So we step on board into the aft area of the boat, a nice kind of social area, especially when it's raining like today. Kind of a kind of cozy boat, really, the Hardy. But again, in the summer, roll all this canopy back, makes for a lovely, social area down the river. And again, when you go to the cockpit area as the captain, you're again with everyone, making it a nice social boat. You've also got the sunroof access, which I will not open, as the bilge pumps will then be working hard because it's raining cats and dogs outside. But yes, you've got a lovely area here, nice table, no sun damage, and of course carpet flooring. Now she's obviously 27 foot in length, 9.1 beam, and the draft is 3 foot. Obviously a good sea boat, quite a popular sea boat. So we'll head to the cockpit area. Again, nice upholstery, designed well, that you can sit in here or at the back, at the aft of the boat. Now you've got your twin Morse throttles, and then obviously your Yanmar display gauge, everything. You've got your autopilot as well, and remote, the GPS system as well. So everything you need if you did decide to take her offshore. And again, just a nice boat to cruise down the rivers, like on the Norfolk Broads, down estuaries, or if you're on any of those big lakes as well. So yeah, there's all the obviously GPS gear, and your autopilot as well. So yeah, nice view as well for the captain of the boat, so you know where you're going, and yep, all your switches, gauges, everything as well. She's a good boat in terms of accommodation as well. Obviously all this lovely social area up at the top here on the boat, but down below, 4 berths and 2 cabins. You've got the master cabin at the front of the boat here, with the table dropping down, creating a nice double bed. And then you've got, and again, headroom down here is, in terms of the whole boat, is pretty good. I'm about 6 foot and got plenty of headroom. Got your heads there as well. And then obviously your other double will pull out here, which I'll show in a minute, just to create another double bed. You got your fridge here, and of course all your isolators and all your kind of switches that you need. Baswo heating system as well, which is ideal for today, which would be nice to turn on. And again, you have obviously in the heads, you've got the electric flush toilet. There we go. And then your pull-out shower as well, and then obviously sink and a porthole for some air. And again, in here you've got enough headroom as well. It's perfectly fine in terms of headroom, the boat. And then again, storage space, your UK sockets as well, and then your obviously galley, which isn't as large as other boats, but good use of space. Obviously you have here the sink, fridge, bit of storage space, your gas hob, and then oven as well. So that's all good. We'll then head back up and take a look at the engines. Again, she's got 240 volt shore power, And again, solar panels I haven't mentioned with 170 watt. So, you know, perfect in terms of if you are, you know, on the Broads and, you know, are plugged into one of our beautiful marinas like here in Brundall, or if you're going a bit off grid, you've got the solar panels and 2 big diesels to generate any more power. She has a boat safety certificate till June 2027. So, you know, pretty much all ready to go. You just need to do a bit of paperwork with us, and then she's all yours, good to go. So in terms of a boat that doesn't need any work, and he's just grab the keys and there you go. You know, this certainly ticks the boxes there. But yeah, final things I'll show. Now with the bed, you obviously have this bit of upholstery. This other plank here slides out. And obviously goes on top of there, so that's your double bit, and then your other bit of upholstery you'd use to fill it would be backrest here, I presume, and then you've got a nice double here if you need. To see the engines, you just got to lift up this carpet area. Under here you can see the coupling on that, on the shaft of the engine. Again, your 2 tanks there, hot water and stuff, and this is access to the engine, but not the best to see. So I'll close that, and then the best bit to have a look is under this little bit, but obviously access via there. The camera turns around. So yeah, there we go, Yanmar, all in one bit. A very well presented example of the Hardy 27. You know, quite a popular model, along with the other boats as well. But yes, if you want more information on this Hardy, or you know, more photos, more details, or you know, anything else, give us a shout. Give us a call on 01603 781178. Send us an email to brundle@norfolkboatsales.co.uk, or pop along on a sunnier day to Norfolk Boat Sales in Brundall. Thank you.